It's not even like even at the.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's not even like.
Randy broke up with me today in third hour.
Oh, I didn't know you guys were going together.
That's ridiculous.
Our friendship.
Oh.
She's like, I'm over you, Lauren. And I was like,
I always say that she be tripping.
Right here.
She be tripping.
She be tripping.
You still do it too.
For my ghetto terms. She be tripping.
Where's Roro?
He's like,
She's not here.
he's like,
or die.
What you want,
I
Lauren?
just want to fucking do action to you. Because I love it so much.
I love you too.
No, I said I love the action so much.
Oh, I'm sorry. You hurt my
Jeez,
feelings.
good. I don't like you anyways.
You know what? That's not from the hospitality.
Well, I'm not really from the South.
So, you couldn't even say it right. You know.
It's amazing how they
You
put a
caught
lisp
me.
into it.
You got me. I'm not really from the South.
I am not really from the South either.
No.